मेरे टाइम पे मुझे ये आजादी नहीं मिली।
Hey, I don't know why people feel that chai is bad. Online he used to bajao us so much.
जिसको मुझे पिकअप करना था वो नहीं उठा।
Thank you.
मेरी साइज का राज।
चालू है कैमरा, बोलूं?
एंड एक्शन।
सभी लास्ट 6 years में we have helped more than 450 500 people.
Gave up on Coach SP? No, never. Never gave up. There have been our own ups and downs. So we changed the strategy together, but we never gave up.
The toughest part is not actually the techniques, it is actually the connection you build with people, make them trust, make them feel comfortable.
Because हर किसी के चैलेंज अलग है and still making priority to the fitness, making priority to this transformation and staying consistent, achieving the transformation, maintaining it, वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर करता है।
I was 107 kgs to be honest.
I'm a person who will not get up in the morning to work out. I had a knee injury and I stopped doing the online workout because I was not able to keep up.
I had a problem with my breathing because of COVID.
2.5 kg भी नहीं है अगर हो रहा है मेरे से तो वाट लग गई थी बॉडी की। Just walking is not enough for me. Just doing yoga is not enough for me.
Fitness used to come with an understanding of injury.
I was shattered in lots of things mentally. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती थी. So I end up eating more calories.
I was looking for a very disciplined routine which can push me. So after coming over here, it's not just only a disciplined routine, but pushing your limits.
Your food was being tracked. Your exercises was being tracked.
मैं जब भी किसी क्लाइंट के साथ काम करता हूँ, I have my core values.
If you're a minute or two late, there are times when he sent us back.
Prashant made me very comfortable about weight training.
I always got inspired by Simran.
I remember him giving me breathing lessons, which no coach in the world will give you.
Once they start accepting food as one of the most wonderful things, that is when they start seeing results.
She is very particular when it comes to diet.
His training is from the basic, like from the core.
और जब अगर डाइट फॉलो करने में कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है then obviously she'll push me.
The way she spoke to me, words still stay in my head whenever I feel like losing hope.
Great listener. Great listener. I always look forward next morning to come over here.
Prashant came with me in the morning to train me for a marathon, which I really wanted to go to.
So she's very practical and she gives you all sides of a situation.
You spend time with her, then you know her words. You can catch her words. You can read between the lines. अच्छा इधर taunt मार रही है actually.
So these guys have a very good thing of innovating all the time and keeping it fun.
Somebody is waiting for me to transform.
Prashant and Simran was there for me.
When I want to be heard, so it's like I'll talk to Simran. और मुझे अगर क्विक रेजोल्यूशन चाहिए तो I'll talk to Prashant.
Little bit of confidence that you see in me today, sitting in front of you and speaking, is all because of them.
Hats off to both of you for pushing us.
मैं आसमान में होता जो लोग ये दोनों कर रहे हैं ना अगर ये कर पाए हम
मतलब यदि मैं इनकी फैमिली में हूँ तो मैं इनकी माँ हूँ और ये दोनों मेरे बच्चे हैं.